So it is very apt to have today's person with these dominant characteristic of bodily and interpersonal intelligence, that is mover as well as the mover as well as the people's person in Mr. Vijay Jacob. He is a life-saving personal as well as first aid trainer. So by training, he is having the interpersonal intelligence. By life-saving personality, he is having the bodily kinesthetic. Both are dominant in him. I know him for the past, almost 15, 20 years. It's my honor to introduce Mr. Vijay Jacob to this particular Utsahin team. And Vijay, let me brief about him and let me take the privilege of this. Vijay is a 2 times All India Senior National Champion in Senior National Champion in swimming. He is a qualified rescue watercraft operator, being awarded a couple of times as Best Pool Lifeguard. He is qualified in advanced resuscitation techniques from Australian Life Saving Academy. He has trained thousands of school children, corporate employees, and pool lifeguards from several states of India on swimming, life-saving techniques, CPR, and basic first aid skills. He is a part of disaster management team along with state fire departments. And he and his team, this is very important. He and his team worked in the rescue operations during the Neelam, the Katrina, the Hudhud cyclones, which is completely affected our states, and even the recent floods in Hyderabad urban. He is honorably appointed as the aquatic safety consultant for Telangana State Government Tourism Department in its water fleet wing. His passion is life-saving. With this, I invite the mover, the people's person, personified as Mr. Vijay Jacob, to inspire us for the next 5 minutes. Vijay, it's yours.
Thank you. Am I audible?
Yes.
Good evening, all. Raghuram, thank you very much for this opportunity. I'm purely related to the subject. Absolutely. I would like to share my childhood once. When I was in my school, till 7th class, I used to bunk my school because I'm bored with the classes all the time. I used to get a lot of punishments all the time. But sometime I introduced to swimming because I belongs to Singareni colonies where they built a swimming pool for the colonies also. Then I started learning swimming. I was really attracted to that field and I became state champion. Then I represented Andhra Pradesh for 3 years consecutively. Then my actually academic qualification, even today I didn't complete my graduation. I didn't complete my graduation because I joined 2 times and I was not able to complete because I'm bored with my classes. What will make? Then I started learning life-saving skills because in 1998, I think I have seen Hyderabad, especially Anand Bagh, Malkajgiri, and those areas are flooded with water. So those days I started thinking, I'm a swimmer. How can my intelligence, my skill will help to the people? I was working with Coca-Cola because I got the job in sports quota. So I resigned my job and I started establishing a life-saving organization. Then I started learning life-saving skills as a swimmer. Again, the same problem raised in my life. As a student in the class, I was unable to learn because there is a fear in my mind all the time. I'm not able to understand the things. In 2008, I joined a course called the Beach Lifeguard. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, Vijay.
Yeah, Beach Lifeguard. You know that Baywatch, like.
Yeah.
So from Australia, trainers has come. Matt Thompson, my coach. We were at Mangalore. We are at the beach. We are in the classroom, in the tents. So it was the first day is completed in the classroom. I can see the beach. I can see the water. I can see the waves. That day, sea was really ferocious. Big waves and everything. By seeing that, I started cursing myself. First thing, I'm not able to follow Mr. Matt Thompson because his English is Australian English, where I'm not able to follow it, number one. Number two, the waves are just giving me fear. I'm scared by seeing them. Just I'm cursing myself. to Hyderabad, what you do with this sea? There is no sea except Hussain Sagar. There is no other sagar, no waves. So why you're doing this course? The second day, when I started introduced to the practicals, I'm a swimmer, and I started enjoying my learnings, entering the ocean, swimming with the waves, everything. And again, fifth day, class two, they started explaining the machinery, boats, how to drive, everything. Again, the fear was behind me. But at the 12th day, it is total 12 days, full days, I understood everything. I enjoyed the program. But I never realized that what really inspired me to learn. When Mr. Raghuramgar asked me to give a lecture, then I started looking to my past, the past, what exactly it is implicated to my life. Then I have seen when I was in the classroom, I'm not able to learn, I'm not able to concentrate on the lessons because I might be very poor. My intelligence is very poor in linguistic or in classroom.
Yeah.
So I was not attracted at all. But when I started getting the practicals, when hands-on job, I enjoyed. Actually, mentor has given me only 5 minutes. Otherwise, I might share a lot of experience.
Hello. Got stuck or what?
Yeah, I think an issue.
Hello, Vijay.
Courses in India.
Okay.
Any bandwidth issue. He doesn't know.
Vijay, it got stuck, Vijay. Yeah. You join again.
Yeah. Am I audible?
Yeah, now you're
Yes,
audible.
yes.
Please
Okay,
continue.
please.
Continue,
Sorry.
please.
Okay. So, but I never realized that I am poor in classroom, but I'm really bored. I was not enjoying my classroom sessions. All the time sitting in the classroom and dreaming something. But when I started learning in practice, my life is completely changed. When I joined with Coca-Cola, my qualification was 10 plus 2. That 10 plus 2 also not completed. I was in the second year, but I got the job in Coca-Cola. But when I started even enjoying those job experience also, I'm really scared because I was working with all MBA graduates, where I was a undergraduate. I was first when I'm sitting in a conference hall in trainees, I used to be little surprised that why I am not able to speak like them, whatever it may be. But when we get into the practical sales and everything, I'm better than them because physically I'm very fit. I'm introduced to the education so I can understand things. But when started working with the things practically, I am a successful person in Coca-Cola. In a span of 5 years, from executive, I become to a place where I'm a training champion for South India for Coca-Cola India.
That's
So
it.
those all things, yeah. Uh, with my qualification of 10 plus 2, I used to give project works to the MBA graduates. I'm
Wonderful.
surprised. Many times I used to think they're all highly qualified. I am not able to, how I am able to manage those all things. How I'm able to give projects to them. But my physical my physical intelligence helped me to understand everything, even my way of speaking and everything. It is changed only because of my capabilities, which I acquired through my physical intelligence. Then, after that, when I realized that I have to render my services, my skills like swimming, then I resigned my job and came out and I started a life saving organization. Then I started learning life saving skills. Then my real tough life has started because my self organization and my self intelligence. There is no like Coca-Cola company will provide you all resources everywhere. Again, I thought I'm not an educated because I'm a failure. Almost 4 years of war in my mind that I'm a failure. Uh, I, uh, I did a mistake that I left. Coca-Cola. Otherwise, I might be in a good position like that. But when I believed in my skills, when I started working towards, you can't believe me, these skills helped me to gain 3 state level awards from chief ministers. And that is not the big thing. I am able to give almost 4 crores people safety in 4 Pushkaralu, and
Yeah.
I got 4 awards. And I never allowed a single person to get dead in water. In water, there are some accidents happened in the road in Rajahmundry, but in water, we made almost zero tolerance. Everything I learned only because of my practical experience and practical involvement into the skill, whatever it may be. Okay, and it started giving me more and more encouragement, and I started spreading my services to the society, and I started earning also. Then I
Yeah.
started my own organism. I also gone into the very beautiful level. I got opportunities to train IPS officers. I trained 133 IPS officers in life-saving skills. I trained Indian Army at Pakistan border in emergency response as well as um, water means it's called uh, it is really emergency services when they build bridges over rivers and everything. If
Yeah. Yeah.
suddenly the bridge collapses at like wartime, there is no case, nothing. So we have to train them at an extreme level of life science skills. So like that everywhere, wherever I go, without having an academic graduate all the time, I got 9.5 to 10 on 10 rating scale.
Excellent.
Because the only one thing success is, I started enjoying the practical life.
Yeah.
I started enjoying my physical intelligence. If you ask me, when I was in school, I was not dominant, I was recessive. But from recessive, from recessive, I started becoming dominant also.
All right.
And I was in Kerala, I was in Hudu, Katrina. These all are cyclone names. I really, my intelligence of body intelligence helped me to gain this all, and it helped me to render my services to the society. And thanks to the intelligence of kindness,
All right.
thank you very much, sir.
Thank you so much, Vijay. And this is the very reason why, I have you here. And I'm sure everybody has, understood the value of, identifying an intelligence. Though he do not know that, that is his intelligence. He was really dominant in that. And it's not just, one like this, our children are there are many forms of football lovers in our classes. And when I take the sessions also, I used to tell that, how to identify that particular person. I used to use one example always. If the teacher sees that, backbench person is just standing and sitting down, he is a kinesthetic learner. He will never sit at one place. So here, through Vijay, I wanted to really, explore the, understanding of bodily kinesthetic and interpersonality. You must have now understood that, the wide range of people he must be trained, he has known. And needless to say, for Kerala people, he was the person who was in Thrissur to help many, many, many thousands of people who are stuck in one of the trees. He was referring to one of the examples. In one of the tree, he was rescuing people who were stranded there, and snakes were there in that particular tree. And he was explaining that particular, he was covering with an, oh my God, I was really, I don't know what to say, goosebumps and all this. And that is one of the reasons why he is here. And thank you so much, Vijay, for, briefing yourself, and more importantly, showcasing that how important bodily kinesthetic intelligence is, and both interpersonal, and you are dominant in both. And people like Vijay are dominant in intrapersonal as well as bodily kinesthetic. And please, my dear friends, please understand why the person is so active, why the person is not active. Please identify in your children itself. This is because of the dominance as well as recessive. And thank you, Vijay, for spending your valuable time with us. And please stay back until our, national.